Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix account is logged for review. So if your account displays unusual or suspicious activity, it may be a subject to a log. So meaning your account received this log status due to some activities that you might have done before. So possible reasons for the account log may include violation of contract terms, include extreme lateness or non-delivery. Also, incorrect reporting of a store as closed or issues related to a background check. Now, additionally, your account may be logged for other unspecified reasons. A security view is underway and Doordash may ask you for your patience, as it may take around 24 hours for you to receive a feedback from their team. Now, you should be also aware of the review or the current review that is undertaken on your account. You will not be able to do the following actions. So that includes dashers are unable to perform dashes. Dashers cannot cash out their earnings or modify their payout details, and dashers are unable to initiate or respond to chats with customers or merchant. Now in this case, the best course of action here is to just wait for Doordash support to reach out regarding your account. So currently you won't be able to do anything regarding your account, but just wait for them to reach out to you after 24 hours. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.